Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Drive with ClickUp. This integration allows you to seamlessly attach and access your Google Drive files directly within your ClickUp workspace, making collaboration and file management much more efficient. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to enable this integration, as this will determine which team members can benefit from the Google Drive connection. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your ClickUp dashboard, scroll down until you find the option labeled More, and click on it. This will expand additional menu options that aren't immediately visible in the main navigation. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Apps. This section houses all the integrations and third-party applications that ClickUp supports, giving you access to a wide range of tools to enhance your workflow. In the Apps section, you'll see a variety of available integrations. Look for Google Drive among the options and click on it. This will take you to a detailed page about the Google Drive integration, explaining its features and capabilities. Once you're on this page, click the Connect button to initiate the integration process. Clicking Connect will automatically open a new tab in your browser, redirecting you to Google's authentication page. This is where you'll authorize ClickUp to access your Google Drive account. You'll need to log into your Google Drive if you're not already signed in. You can either input your username and password manually, or if you have multiple Google accounts, simply select the account you want to connect from the list that appears. After selecting or logging into your account, Google will present you with their privacy policy and terms of service related to this integration. Review these if needed, then click Continue to proceed. This step ensures you understand how ClickUp will interact with your Google Drive data. Next, you'll see a permissions screen where Google asks you to grant specific access rights to ClickUp. To ensure full functionality of the integration, click Select All so that ClickUp can properly access, attach, and manage your Google Drive files within the platform. Once all permissions are selected, click Continue to finalize the authorization process. This step might take a moment as Google processes the permissions. Once the authorization is complete, you'll automatically be redirected back to ClickUp. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration was successful. Click Done to close the setup window and return to your main ClickUp workspace. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with ClickUp, and you can now attach and manage your Drive files directly within your tasks and projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.